Reinstalling ZoneAlarm and need to restore your firewall rules from a ZBW backup? This file holds your security configuration so you don't have to start from scratch. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to restore these ZoneAlarm backup files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated ZBW file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. ZBW files are backup files created by ZoneAlarm firewall software to preserve user security settings, firewall rules, trusted zones, program permissions, and configuration preferences. They allow users to restore their complete ZoneAlarm setup after reinstallation, system migration, or configuration rollback scenarios. ZBW backup files use a proprietary binary format, storing serialized ZoneAlarm configuration data, including zone definitions, program, access rules, alert preferences, privacy settings, and identity protection data. The format includes integrity checksums and version markers, ensuring compatibility with the matching ZoneAlarm software version during restore. Technically, the best program for ZBW is usually ZoneAlarm from Checkpoint. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows typically can't unpack backup formats, so a dedicated tool must handle their restoration. Your first move is key. Right-click the ZBW file and select Open With. Test with ZoneAlarm if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If the ZBW file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, restoring in ZoneAlarm. Open ZoneAlarm and navigate to Tools or Preferences. Then select Backup and Restore. Click Restore and browse to the ZBW file. ZoneAlarm reads the backup, applies all settings, firewall rules, and zone configurations, then prompts for a restart to activate the restored security configuration. Next, verifying ZoneAlarm version. Confirm the ZoneAlarm version that created the ZBW file matches your current installation. Restoring backups across major versions can fail or partially apply settings. If versions differ, update or reinstall the matching ZoneAlarm release before attempting the restore to ensure full configuration compatibility. Finally, manual configuration review. If the ZBW restore fails, open ZoneAlarm and manually configure key settings using the backup as a reference. Contact Checkpoint support with the ZBW file for advanced recovery. Document critical firewall rules, trusted zones, and program permissions before reinstallation to simplify future configuration recovery. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.